In the midst of a cold and harsh life, Little Orange Cat only longs for a warm bowl of rice and a place to call home. After days of abandonment, bullying, and hurt, will she find someone who truly cares for her? The story of Little Orange Cat is not just the story of a cat, but also a journey in search of love.
Well, I'm going to the city today to have a look. Is there a suitable job? I'll go to the village chief's house later. Use the village chief's land. It's safer to give some rent. I'm going out, then. I'm counting on you at home. Don't worry.
Warming my heart amidst a life of hardship. And he silently watches, calculating the days and months.
Village chef. Why is the cat here? Can I help you? Nothing much. It's just that there are more dishes grown at home. Brought you some. And you've helped my family so much. I should have come to thank you long ago. You don't have to be so polite for your blind date. This is what I should do. Village chief, what you said last time. I discussed it with Lao Bai. White is not suitable for furniture. We decided to give you 5 packs of ugly cat food every month. Plus 500 RNT. You're welcome. I know what's going on in your house. It is not easy to send schools to the community. You can plant whatever you want in my house. You don't have to calculate the rent. How embarrassing is that? You still have to take the money. Otherwise, Lao Bai will say that I am like this. The money should be used for school in the community. Just give me some pet cat food every month. Well, thank you very much, Chief. Don't worry. I will definitely bring it to you first when the harvest is available. Village Chief, you are busy first. I won't bother you for now.
But love reconnected. Little orange cat.
Why is it so hard to find a job? Boss, do you still recruit drama network workers here? No tricks, no tricks. Is een iets, j'ai autofaire. Cano lust j'y veux. Look for the tuition fee in the community. No tricks, no tricks. Is een iets, j'ai autofaire. Cano lust j'y veux. To raise more money for primary school tuition.
A small bowl of rice in the cold winter afternoon.
Hello, boss. Do you still recruit workers here? It's full, and we need to be young and strong. Your body. I'm afraid I can't take it. Boss, I can do anything. I can endure hardship. Please, invite me. Let's go, let's go. We're done. After searching for so long, I couldn't find a job. What should I do? So many good. When do I move in? Boss, do you want someone? Premier hamster. I can help. You move the goods. Please do not. But I have to build it first. No problem. These regrets. Marry me.
Uncle said he would adopt me with a promise.
Cool d'ogive.
Auntie scolds me harshly Her tongue as
Okay,
sharp as a
niece boss.
knife.
The goods are all done. What do you think? Okay, come to work in a few days. Temps de leave. Monthly salary of 3,000. Really? Thanks, boss. I will definitely do well.
And he has decided I'm no longer alone. Will good days ever come? 3,000
Let me help you. No need for your help. Is your stomach cold? Mom left you greedy cat food. Go back on it. I'm not hungry yet. Voyons les mom. Where have you been, Dad? Your dad went to the city to find a job. He should be back soon. Okay, let's go back to. Go back and cook dinner and wait for your dad to come back. Mom, let me help you. Why are you the only one here? Where has Dad gone? Your dad went to the city to find a job. He should be back soon. Okay, let's go back to. Go back and cook dinner and wait for your dad to come back.
Warming my heart amidst a life of hardship.
What should I do? I'm not back yet.
And he silently
Is the chicken hungry?
watches, calculating the
Eat first when you're hungry.
days and months,
Your dad should be back soon.
worrying about my
I'm not hungry. I have to wait for Dad to come back and eat together.
I go to school through many strange streets.
Weef. Xiao Ju. X en back. Look what I got you. This is the brood cat food that's eaten in the city. I didn't taste it. Why do you pay this fee? Just come back. Did you find a job? Fundit. Working in the city. Temps de leave. 3,0 à month. That's great. In this way, you don't have to worry about the tuition fee of the small bureau. Lao Bai, you have to do a good job. Eat more. Maybe offend the boss. Okay. Sur premier oud. I will definitely do well. Xiao Ju. You can go to school with peace of mind. Don't worry about tuition. Ah, première CE. I will study hard. I will repay my parents well in the future. Silly boy, just live your life well in the future. Don't always think about me and your mother. Al-Raït. Uriep. Letorsit.
There are loves that cannot be expressed in words.
Xiao Ju. You can go to school with peace of mind. Don't worry about tuition. Ah, première CE.
A small bowl of rice
I will be
in the
attentive.
cold within afternoon,
I will repay my parents well in the future.
warming my heart amidst a life of hardship.
Weef. It's up to you to watch the house from now on.
Calculating the day.
Just rest assured to work.
Worrying about
I'll take care of it at home.
not knowing where it will lead.
Thank you. Wait.
I go to school through
Wait
many
until I get
strange
paid.
streets.
I'll send you the money back.
Stones rain and
Take care of yourself
sun
over there.
path, marked
Premier Mathéum.
stumbles
Don't you worry.
and falls.
Ok.
I dream of studying
Oh, première
so
CU.
fragile.
All right. You have to get up early tomorrow. Let's go to sleep.
Auntie scolds me harshly. Her tongue is sharp as
All
a
right.
knife.
Eat less cat food
But
before
after
going
the
out.
harsh words comes a sleepless night. Auntie's heart aches, unable to speak a word. Auntie has decided I'm no
All right.
longer alone.
Stop sending.
Will good
I'll just take the car
days
myself.
ever come?
Xiaoju.
3,000
Goodbye, and listen to your mother.
exchanged for a
You know what?
fate, a
Oh,
piece of
première CU.
paper cut.
Dad,
But
I will help my mother with the housework. Don't you worry.
Little
Okay,
orange
go ahead.
shed
Otherwise,
silent
you won't be able to catch the car.
tears.
Be careful on the
Outwardly
road.
but
Remember
inwardly
to send me a
soft.
letter when you arrive.
There